Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shafalika. I'm working as a consultant laparoscopic surgeon in Columbia Asia Referral Hospital, Yeshwanthpur, practicing exclusively minimally invasive gynecology. Really not. People have a big wrong notion that the laparoscopic surgeries are quite expensive. In fact, the main difference between an open surgery and a laparoscopic surgery is only the cost of equipment and instruments. But then, since the hospital stay is very short in laparoscopic surgery, this cost difference would get compensated by a very short hospital stay. So, compared to the longer hospital stay which happens in an open surgery, the cost of instrument and equipment is, practically insignificant. Hence, I would say the difference between an open surgery and a laparoscopic surgery is not that great.